Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 not turning on. First, check the power source. Make sure charger is plugged on into the wall and into the laptop properly. Look for the charging light on the laptop. If there is no light, try a different power outlet. Next, check the charger or charging cable. If the charger is damaged or loose, the laptop may not open or turn on. Next, disconnect all external devices like remove USB device, mouse, keyboard and headphone. Sometimes device can stop the laptop from starting. If the laptop doesn't turn on, check the screen. The laptop may be on but the display is not working. Try increasing the brightness or connecting an external monitor. Also make sure the laptop is not overheating. Let it cool down for a few minutes before turning it on. If none of this step works, the problem could be a battery or motherboard or even power button issue. In this case, it is best to take the laptop to authorized service center. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.